Alright, so today we're going to discuss about the principal root of a number. Okay, but before that, we're going to explain first what is the perfect square. So perfect square is a number that can be written as a product of two equal integers. Okay, let's have here. Okay, if I write here 2 times 2 is equal to 4, then 4 is a perfect square because it is the product of two equal integers, which is 2. Okay, let's have another one. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so 9 is a perfect square because it is a product of two equal numbers, right? Okay, another one. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Okay, 16 is a perfect square because it is the product of two equal numbers or two equal integers. Okay, alright, so now let's proceed to a principal root of a number. So when we say principal root of a number, it is the positive square root of a positive real number. So the symbol for a square root is this one. So this is the symbol for the square root. Okay, if I have here 81, so meaning to say the principal root of this number is 9. Okay, not negative 9. Okay, if I have here 36, so the principal square root is positive 6. It's always positive. Okay, so not negative 6. How about 25? So principal square root of 25 is positive 5, not negative 5. Okay? So that's all for now. Thank you so much and goodbye.